Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 7. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. And as you can see, from the home page of Google Wallet, you can add a card, check tutorial about how to pay, and automatically add passes to wallet from Gmail. Also, you can go to Wallet Tips and learn how to add wallet. You can learn more about wallet, again learn how to pay, and again automatically add passes to wallet from Gmail. Next, you can add payment card, transit pass, loyalty and gift card. Also, you can go to Wallet Tips, tap to Pay Setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Check full list of participating banks, and password manager. Next, you can check your data in wallet. Go to wallet settings, when you can set payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. Next, we've got help and feedback, and in the end, access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.